IT trends are transforming various sectors, including education, industry, banking, and health. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a growing topic in the Philippines, with an anticipated 13-fold increase in expenditure from 2014 to 2020. Iconics, a division of electronics manufacturer Ionix Incorporated, has partnered with global technology giant IBM to create cutting-edge products running on the IoT. The company used cloud, mobile, and big data analysis to create devices, appliances, and industrial equipment that enable communication and interaction. Ionix EMS has partnered with IBM to mine big data for insight on human behavior, boosting business intelligence. IT automation help companies achieve greater productivity among employees by using computers and software programs to perform tasks such as accounting system, production system, and security system. These trends are these trends are affecting that Filipino way of living are expected to continue to evolve in the future.
Makati City has implemented the automotive biometrics timekeeping system to monitor employee attendance and its office. The move aligns with the city commitment to technology for transparency and efficiency. The system ensures accurate time records, prevents time theft, and promotes fast payroll calculation. The system eliminates the possibility of employees making proxy time in or out for other employees. Telecommunication companies and property developers are collaborating on developing the future workplace. With technology developments such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and robotics being cited as example. Online banking has gained popularity, with 3 out of 4 Filipinos now comfortable conducting transactions online. The Call Me service allows clients to apply for another credit card. In education, learning management systems are being used to deliver, manage, and track student progress through e-learning.
Electronic commerce is a growing trend in the business world, allowing business to transfer information across the internet. It encompasses various types of business, from consumer-based retail sites to business exchange. Social media influencers are becoming increasingly important for business to market their product. A health term for information and communication technology in healthcare is used to improve and extend healthcare. Monitor to spread of communicable disease, exchange health data, and promote continuous medical training. IT issues and challenge in various industries, including health, business, education, industry, and banking, are also significant. One major challenge is preserving the security and integrity of computer, as email exchange and local chat rooms can be used for communication. Malicious software such as virus, worms, Trojan horse, spyware, and ransomware can harm a computer system and cause harm. These threats can be triggered by email exchange, conversation, and local chat rooms. of the use of malicious software.
Online learning is becoming a popular teaching method in school, but present challenges for students and teachers. Students often face inability, struggles, technical issue, and lack, lack of personal relationship. Traditional student may struggle to adapt to online discussion will choose without high bandwidth and strong internet connection and may struggle to follow in course management system and lack computer. Literacy is a major issue as basic program like Microword and PowerPoint are not accessible. Time and management in another challenge has been adopted and prepared with this learning. Program for scalability self-motivation is also crucial for students to follow new educational trends and prepare for future challenges.
Issues and challenges. Hardware or freeware is a program designed to display advertisement and collect marketing data about users. Can be considered a legitimate alternative for consumers who don't want to pay for software. In the healthcare sector, concerns about data security and confidentiality of patient records have increased due to the shift from paper to digital records. Medical records are considered more valuable than credit cards on the black market. The Philippines Data Privacy Act of 2012 implements data protection measures to protect patient confidentiality with penalties for authorized disclosure. The United States Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act in 1996 promotes confidentiality and portability of patient records.
Conclusion. Importance of knowing IT trends. Issue and challenges. You'll continually gain new skill by following trends, including how to use new technologies, engage in new activities, and increase your efficiency. This will give you more options to choose from, which will allow you to try more things out and use them to come up with fresh idea. Problems and challenges are vital components of life that help you gain experiences, teach you lesson, and become stronger and wiser. Problem force us to change and involve. People's desire for a life free of the difficulties is their main challenges.